see the train. I see the train. How does the train go? Choo-choo!
Good job. Good job.
C-O-C.
E-I-E-I-O.
And C-O-C.
You did a good job.
And that could do numbers. And numbers go.
Mamas?
And numbers go. And tight. Stuck in over. Oh, man, stuck in.
Yeah.
Stuck in.
How many trains do you have, Ben? Can you count them? Count the trains. 1.
What's that?
You're going to count the trains? Which one is Thomas? And which one is Duncan? And where's Percy? And make them go choo-choo.
What's process?
That's Percy. What color is Thomas?
And see the numbers. And shadow right.
Ah.
It's numbers.
That's Namas. We know that's Namas.
It's numbers.
But you gotta say Thomas. Say Thomas.
No truth.
Say Thomas.
The numbers.